How to create Temu account. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded Temu app from your Apple Store or Google Play Store. Now let's open the application here. Okay, now we have come to the main page of the Temu application. Now at the bottom, you can see the option of You. Just tap on it and tap on Sign in or Register. Now over here in the empty box, you have to enter your email or phone number with which you want to create your Temu account. Now you have other options here as well. At the bottom, as you can see, you can continue with Google, Facebook or Apple, and even with Twitter. So for instance, let's add our email address here. Okay. Now after entering your email address, you have to create a password. Make sure that you create a strong password here. Now there are other ways in which you can create a Temu account. For now, let's open Facebook. So now you will be led to this page here and you can just tap on open Facebook and then log in using Facebook account. And that's how you create a Temu account. So that was all for today, and don't forget to like and subscribe.